Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy bonds on eTrade. First, log into your eTrade account. Once logged in, locate the Bonds or Fixed Income tab, usually found under the Investments or Trading menu. This section is your gateway to exploring various bond offerings. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will help you efficiently navigate the bond market and find suitable investments for your portfolio. Now, let's find the right bond for you. eTrade offers robust search tools. You can filter by bond type, such as corporate, municipal, or treasury bonds, and specify your desired maturity date. It's also wise to consider the yield and credit rating to align with your investment goals and risk appetite. Take your time to explore the options available. Before placing an order, carefully review the bond's details. Pay close attention to the coupon rate, which is the interest paid, and the yield to maturity, representing your total return. Understand the issuer's credit rating and any associated risks. Also, note the minimum purchase quantity, which is typically in $1,000 increments, to ensure it fits your budget. Finally, it's time to place your order. Enter the quantity of bonds you wish to buy, remembering they are often traded in $1,000 face value increments. Choose your order type. A limit order allows you to specify a maximum price. Double-check all the details, including the bond, quantity, and price, then submit your order. Congratulations, you've just bought a bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.